Hi everyone, we're gonna go check the fairy sandwich, the fairy bread, to see if the fairy took it, the little treasure box. So we're walking over here where we had the treasure box and we're gonna check. Is there anything, Tabitha?
Yeah.
Wait, don't move it, just wait. Oh, there's a sprinkle. Oh, look! What's in there? What is it?
A rock.
Oh, let's see it. It's a pretty rock. Do you think she left us a gift?
Yeah.
Oh, and there's some sprinkles down there. Yeah. I bet you that is a gift. We'll have to look at it better inside. Wow, how exciting, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to go inside and check out this little rock because I think she left us a gift. Okay, we're back inside and this is the treasure chest that we had the fairy bread in. And here is what the fairy left us. She did leave us a gift. It's a beautiful rock. It kind of almost looks like an opal. Let me see. Or something of that sort, but isn't that pretty? That is our gift from the fairy. So we are super excited about that. So we're gonna get a special box going so we can put this so we don't lose it. Because we want to use this treasure box for other things. We're thinking about leaving the fairy some other things. But that is the gift we got from the fairy for leaving her fairy bread. And the fairy bread was gone. There was a few sprinkles left, but it appears that she took the fairy bread. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you'll get notifications of when I upload my next fairy adventure video. So thanks for watching. Bye.